Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to import your contacts into Boma. Start off by preparing your CSV file for the import. You want to make sure that you have the following columns: email, first name, last name, company name, and phone in the CSV file. Once the file has been saved, click on the Contacts tab. You can then click on Import CSV. You will then be prompted to click and drag your CSV file into the Upload area, or click the box to browse your file manager. Once you have selected the CSV file, click Upload and Continue. In this next menu, you can add a tag to this batch of contacts. Adding tags allows you to segment your contact list, enabling you to send emails to specific segments of contacts. For example, clients, leads, advisory contacts, tax, and so on. Let's add a tag to this batch. Let's call them leads. Once you are happy with the tags, you can click on Import. The import process takes a few minutes depending on the size of the contacts in your CSV file. Once it has been processed, you will be sent an email confirmation as to whether there were any errors associated with the contacts and the exact contacts that need to be dealt with. A common issue that can occur is failure to upload contacts with the same email address. Boma can only attribute an email to one contact, and so if you have multiple contacts with the same email, then this error will occur. Once the import is complete, you can further segment your contacts by adding additional tags. Let's navigate back to the Contacts menu. Now, select the contacts you would like to tag by clicking the checkbox beside each contact. You can then click on the Choose Actions for Selected and then click on Add Tag. You create all the tags in Boma, so if you have previously created a tag, then you will see them listed within this menu here. If you don't see that specific tag, you can create them by simply typing in the tag name. Once you have selected or created the tag, click on Add Tag and then select OK. Those contacts will then be associated with those tags. Now, if you would like to export your contacts out of Boma, navigate to the Contacts menu, which we are on, and then select Export CSV. All your contacts will then be exported into a CSV file with all the fields and tags included. The export may take a couple of minutes, and once done, you will receive an email with a link to the file. You will also be able to view exports in the CSV Export section under the Settings menu. If you have any further questions on importing and exporting contacts, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com, or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.